Today's practice is going to be tracing the meridians. These are the acupuncture channels. Same theory in TCM, traditional Chinese medicine, as Qigong, acupuncture, acupressure. They all use this as a theory, and that there are rivers of energy going through our body, going through our organs. And there are 12 regular ones matched up with our organs. There are also two bigger ones or um, more important ones. The conception that goes down and the governing that goes up and over. And they join two in a yin yang pattern. So what we have is we have 12 regular meridians, three yin arms, three yang arm meridians. And then we have three yang leg and three yin leg meridians. So we are going to trace those. And then in addition to the two super important, Du and Ren, the conception and governing, and then the 12 regular meridians, there are some called 8 extraordinary vessels. So like the belt vessel. And these are broader sources of energy, like the belt meridian, and then there are 8 in total. But we are just going to be doing the 12. And we do that by standing upright. And we will do the legs first. We'll start by rubbing our hands together, generating some heat. Around the face, around the eyes, a lot of these meridians start or end. So we're going to go up, comb the scalp, fingers close to the scalp, go to the shoulder, go underneath the shoulder, as high up on the back as you can. And then on the outside and back part of the body, we're going to trace down, down the back and sides of the leg, of both legs, down, 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 around the toes, and around the front and inside of the legs. If you want, you can do that belt meridian. It's kind of nice to do that a few times. And then starting at the chest, the inside of the arm, tracing down, the inside of the arm, around the fingers, over the top and outside of the arm, turn the head, go to the other side, I kind of like to do it Tai Chi like, moving from left to right. So follow along as I do it. You could just hover over too. If you can't reach all the way, you can just go around with intent. Breathing spontaneously, long, slow, deep breaths. If you want to link your breath to your movement, you can do so too if you slow down. Tracing meridians.